Namaste, good morning. This is me, Geometric Engineer Vishnu Atraya. This is my second tutorial video. After watching this video, you will know how to explore spatial data and symbolize qualitative attribute of this data in many aspects. Let's start. Let's add data from here. This is an example of point data, district headquarters. This is an example of line data of vector data model, route, and this is an example of polygon data polygon of vector model, close. Let's symbolize first point data. Just double click here and we can see so many symbols and we can design ourselves also. Now let's take this symbol as a district headquarters. We can change color from here and we can change the size. We can change the size from here. Okay, and we can change the style of line from here. Okay, and for polygon we can change the color from here, or we can change the line of polygon from here. Okay, yes, if it does not look nice, then we can change again from here. It is just for practical purpose. Outline, simple line or dash line. This boundary line we can change color from here also. Okay, okay, if we want to make no color, we can just do hollow from here and we can change the line that we like. Any line. Let's check dot. The width of the dot is 2 and let's change the color red. Okay, okay, okay. Yes, this way we can change the symbol of line, point and polygon. We can fill color from here. Yes, I think it is very easy to change the color, to change the line, style of line, and to change the symbol of the point. Now let's go to classify the spatial data according to qualitative attribute. Qualitative attribute means the attribute which does not have any quantitative, any addition, multiplication, subtraction and multiplication. For example, name of the road is, type of the road is qualitative data. The length of the road is quantitative data. The name of the district is qualitative data. The area of the district is quantitative data. In today's exercise, we are going to present qualitative data. Let's change the color of district. Yes, category, district. We are giving different color for different districts. That's why we select district here. Let's go to its attribute table. Right click, open attribute table. There are so many fields here, so many informations here. Among them, we are going to present the district field. That's why just right click over here, property, category, district, add all values, apply, OK. Yes, each district have the different color. This such type of map is called chromatic map. And for road, let's categorize them according to the type of the road. Let's see the attribute table of the road. This is link name, this is class. I think it is better to classify according to class. I think NH means national highway and FRN means feeder road network, I think, and to know the DR means district road and so on. To know the full form of this abbreviation, we should look the metadata of this data that provides by who that data provides, produce should provide the metadata of the data. Right click, property, category. This category belongs to qualitative and this quantitative belongs to quantitative data. Category, where is class, road class, category total reference, with link name, road name, category, save new code, road class, hidden value. No, this is not, just class type, I think. I think category, adult value. No, I might have. Let's see attribute table again. This is class. Right click, property, category, see just class. Here is class, adult values. Yes, this road, this should be in top because it is national highway hierarchy, in hierarchy. Then I think this, then feeder road ordinary, I think, and then district road. I think district road is up in hierarchy. This is other road. Let's change the thickness and color of the national highway. Double click here and choose any style. If you like this, if you like this, whatever you like. I think this is better. Color red. Okay. And feeder road. This, I think, again this, but color is little bit faint. Okay. And this color faint and width is small. Okay. And this is okay, and this for dash line. This is cartographic design. You can design in your way. I can design my way. Okay. Apply. Okay. Now we can see the different color and different style of road network according to the legend. Now we can label the feature. Yes, what do we want to label? We should right click, property, label. There are so many fields, among them village name is labeled. Similarly, in district, right click, property, okay. There are so many fields, among them field we are labeling district. Apply. Okay. We can change the color of label. Property, size of the font, color of the label, apply. Okay. Then right click, label feature. Yeah, this is the district name. And similarly we can change the label of district headquarters also. Property, just do bold. Apply. Okay. Then right click, label off, then do it again, label. We can see something change in label. We can change font size and placement property also. I will make another video for this, don't worry. Yes, this way we can symbolize the qualitative attribute of spatial data. We can do zoom in, zoom out from here, zoom in from here, and bring all into this. This is full extent from here, and if we save this file this in mxt format, we can open in same position next time. Save. Computer data tutorial 2. Save. Okay, this much for today. In next video I will make how to present quantitative data in many aspects. If you like this video, if it is useful for you, you can like, share and share with your colleagues and friends also. Thank you very much.